everyone. Now this week we've got our wow moments again, so let's see who has got a wow moment. You've all been working so hard. First of all, we have Theo. And Theo has been helping all of the other children, so well done to Theo. We also have Belvy, Samara, Kevin, Karat and James. Now these children have been so kind and so caring because we have had a new little boy join the school and they've been helping him, playing with him with the Lego, showing him how to make things and showing him around the classroom. So well done to those children. Then we have Parrin, and Parrin has learned how to count to 10. So well done, Parrin. Then we have Elijah, and Elijah has been working hard at home on his fantastic maths and number work. Then we have Saiyan. Now Saiyan has made this fantastic mask, and it's an owl mask, and Saiyan went away and he found things he needed, the feathers and the tissue paper, on his own, and he put together his own little mask. So well done, Saiyan. We also have James and Aminah, and they have made shadow puppets and used them in the classroom. So well done to James and Aminah.